Hey guys, I'm Kristen with IC Stars Quilting. I am excited to dive into this and see what is it that is so big, because not only is it a pretty good sized box, it's a pretty heavy one too. So let's dig in and see what's inside this box. There is a lot in here. Now this is the February 2024 box. I am just a smidge behind on this. I was out of town when this box came. I didn't realize it came because it got put aside into like the pile of other things that Kristen needs to get to whenever she comes back in town. And I finally got to it and realized I have presents in here. So this is little paper that shows what's happening with Creative Notions, things that are going on within the company. It also has the information on the back for what is the value of the items in this box. These are the things that are included this month. It looks like there is a change coming with the Creative Notions boxes in terms of a bi-monthly Creative Notions subscription, okay? So you're not going to get one every single month. You're going to get it bi-monthly. So that means there's 6 for the year instead of 12, okay? That's going to allow them to send more things, probably more cost effective on their end as well as on your end, rather than shipping something every single month, which will also explain why this is a much bigger box than what I am used to getting from Creative Notions, okay? So if you are interested in this box, as always, all of the information is down in the description box down below, or you can visit the Creative Notions website. Make sure that you tell them that I sent you to the Creative Notions website to get the subscription box, because I love this company and I really want them to do well. So this cute little Make It Mini is one of the new projects that they are starting with the bi-monthly boxes, okay? So this is a mini quilt kit, and you can see on the back it has all of the fabrics, the instructions. There's even, I saw it, there it is. There's even like little buttons included. If you look on here on this, it kind of gives you a couple options to like embroider a little hello and spring on it, okay? It's just some little ideas that you can do with that. So you will get these cute little projects to make that are easy. These types of projects I like to call palette cleansers, because after you finish a ginormous, let's be honest, tiring, exhausting, but amazing quilt project, sometimes you need something that is just easy and fast and gives you like a quick win that doesn't, how do we say this? Suck your soul out when you're working on a really big project. These projects are great for those quick wins. We got some soft homemade caramels from the Country Popper. It looks like they are based in Central Valley, Utah. Another project in here. So it is a DIY neck warmer, and it's a cute little project. And so they give you the fabric, and oh, I love making these with my kids, okay? These are amazing for kids, family members, especially like family members who are maybe not feeling well or sick. These are great. I just looked over and saw a new rotary cutter in here. You know what I bought like yesterday? A new rotary cutter, because I kept misplacing the one that I had. So now I have an extra for my extra. This is great. That's okay. It's all good. We have a mystery quilt block that is happening. So that is something that I read on the first sheet, is that they are doing a mystery quilt block of the month. You're getting a mystery quilt block. So they show you how to do what the block is going to look like. There is a QR code in here that is for instructions on how to make this block. There is another quilt block on the back. So that is block number 2. Here is block number 3, which is also really, really fun. So we don't know what the whole thing is going to look like, but it's going to be really cool. And we have instructions and videos to take us through the entire time. We have some ideas for scrap fabric projects that are really fun to make. There's something really big on the bottom here, and it is this wire frame, which I don't know if you can see because it's kind of hard to see through, but there's a wire frame, and that is a beautiful display for this project that we first took out of the bag, okay? So this wire little display stand is included in this box, and that's why the box was so like large and round. Last thing we have in here, which is actually kind of a large chunk of things, and it's wrapped beautifully in this paper here. How fun. It is fabric as well as a pattern, and we have some background fabric too. So this is what it is that we're making. It is a table topper and table runner pattern. Okay, so there's 2 different sizes on there. You can choose which one you want to make. Instructions are included. I've showed these instructions before. Creative Notions is really good about step by step. Everything is illustrated beautifully. It's so easy to understand. There is no like major jargon and quilt lingo that you have to learn. Everything is illustrated lovely. And this fabric is adorable. Can you see these campers on this fabric? It is so fun. And then there's fabric with like cute bicycles and gingham fabric and flower fabric, and it all coordinates so nicely together. It's adorable. I love this. This is such a fun box, and I'm so glad that I finally found it and was able to go through it. I love it. I think it's great. If you are interested in subscribing to the Creative Notions boxes, they're a wonderful company, okay? It's a woman-owned company. It's a very sweet woman named Vicky, and I love everything that they do. Check out the links below to subscribe to the Creative Notions boxes. Make sure that you tell them who sent you. Kristen from I See Stars Quilting. I'm gonna go play a little bit on my sewing machine, and then I gotta go pick up my kids from school, so the day is running short for me, but I will talk to you next week. Have a good week. Bye. Oh, hey, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, for more tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Bye.